Cyrita and Sunny were a lively Jamaican couple who looked forward to every weekend adventure with their energetic 5-year-old son, Jaden. One sunny Saturday, the local children's fair rolled into town, and the air buzzed with excitement. As they entered the fairgrounds, Jaden's eyes lit up like the vibrant colors around him. "Look, Mom! The Ferris wheel!" he squealed, pointing with sheer enthusiasm. Cyrita, her warm smile reflecting the Caribbean sun, took his hand, whispering, "Let's go, my little adventurer." Sunny chuckled, following closely behind, already imagining the view from the top. They raced towards the Ferris wheel, where they boarded a bright yellow gondola. As they ascended, Jaden squealed with glee. Below them, the fairground looked like a patchwork quilt of fun, colorful tints, laughter, and the smell of jerk chicken wafting through the air. After the ride, they explored a maze of games, where Jaden won a stuffed lion, which he named Roar, after a delightful market vendor had encouraged him to. "Give it a big roar!" Cyrita and Sunny joined in the laughter, enjoying his infectious joy. As the sun began to set, they gathered near the stage where local performers showcased reggae music. Cyrita swayed to the rhythm, encouraging Jaden to dance. Sunny joined in, whirling his family around while they laughed together, the sound of their happiness mingling with the music. As darkness draped the fair, the couple shared a knowing glance, grateful for the joyous moments together. They headed home, hearts full and spirits high, knowing that this day at the fair would be a cherished memory, a reminder of their love and the laughter that held them together.